For install the system, first you will need a US cable. One is with the micro USB. Another is the normal, and this normal USB port just connects the computer. And then let's go to the computer to do the settings. Open the file, and first here the driver assistant. Click it and click this. Click the driver install and click this yes. And here the first option is install the driver and install. It succeed. Click yes and we can. And after this setting, we just open the production tool.
走了。
你知道了啊？老板买走。Click the production tool and click the firmware. We choose two. This one, oh sorry, this one and this one, and open it. And then 干啥？点啊。Click run. Then use your hand to long press this button, and the micro USB connect this. And then it will appear this. And now it's downloading. And we just wait about 3 minutes. And this production tool, this upgrade tool, you can install the system for many dongles at the same time. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this.
以后它就会下面的部件。因为这边不会显示。
Now please check here OK1, and then it means the system is installed, and then you can unplug it and use it.